Mama wakwaba midin ede adwoa searching mesro na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell also for more news.
Anapawe mebuafu at the same time meraho. Mebuafu meraho at the same time. And that is because NPP we don't learn. NPP for you in Utie, the party called NPP, we do not learn. Yes, we might have all the intellectuals and all of that, but intellectuals need be brave. One more minute. Utie, one more minute. Be brave. Why are we doing this to ourselves? Seriously, why are we doing this to ourselves? Adia see dun ketia koye ebi ewo kumewu no ebi na Kennedy Japan has started awoye na and then misumi throw challenge utie the Americano misumi throw challenge to Honorable Kennedy Japan. I'm throwing a challenge to the Honorable Member of Parliament for Asen Central, Asen Hwan, Honorable Kennedy Japan. Please and please again. Today, you have showed us that you are powerful than the president in Ghana. Honorable Kennedy Japan, you have showed us that not only are you bigger than NPP, you are too big for NPP. You are too big to be part of NPP. You are too big than the president that is sitting on the throne. You are too big than the vice president. You are too big than anybody in Ghana. So we beg you, Honorable Kennedy Japan, you and your supporters, we beg you, this is the time to go independent. The whole Ghana is looking for an independent candidate. The whole Ghana is looking for an independent candidate. So Kennedy Japan, go independent today. Everybody loves you. The whole Ghana, they even love you than the president. So Kennedy Akomprekwe Japan, Honorable Asen Central MP, please go independent today. Let us see how strong. Let us see how strong you are. It's about time you show to Ghanaians to say you are the most powerful man in Ghana. Honorable Kennedy, today is the day you must show to all Ghanaians that you are the most powerful man in Ghana. Because according to you, you will give the sitting president a showdown. Yes, president can't even touch you. You will give the vice president a showdown. Yes, we agree. We wouldn't even want to fight with you. Honorable Kennedy, in Ghana, nobody is powerful and bigger than Kennedy Japan. Know it today. Sewu Nimwa, the most powerful man in Ghana is Kennedy Akomprekwe Japan. He has more money than anybody. He has given money to the whole Ghana than anybody. He has employed more than anybody. He is the best than anybody. Let me tell you something. 2 days ago, 2 days ago, the same Kennedy Japan was holding strings and saying that he has faith in the Electoral Commission of NPP. Everything is clear. No kululu biya nim, no basabasaye biya nim, or G process nidi, wa G process natum. This is what he said. Okutadiye yellow mi enubi said. One more checki bibia into one more compare kwe Japan. You ready say this election should go on because he has all the security things there. Or G2 me say security near Korean security. Mr. Kennedy Japan. Mr. Kennedy compare kwe Japan. With all due respect, the most powerful man in Ghana, please go on opposed as an independent candidate. Right now, today, you have shown that even the sitting president who has made you rich, yes, Kennedy, the sitting president Akufo-Addo, who has made you rich, you are going to give him a showdown. And you will give the vice president a showdown. This is what we talked about, and your shallow supporters didn't understand. We were talking nonsense. This is the thing we talked about. Say, President Diye enye di otumi to enam de ma wo we ye. President Diye nye obi a otumi de wo ba ko school. President Diye nye obi a sebe wo be things come out say fakoto aduane di. That is not a president. We told you people. We told some of you bloggers Jimmy Foni bi amugu social media Kennedy Japan timu pese mudi gu party say party no and na ebubo ba no. When we talk of maturity, we are not talking about age. When we talk about maturity, it is not about age. Maturity is when you say penny die mante. And yansafu ATM ya no pe mi ya dwumni enjan say jimie na ye jimi no. O penny die mante. Where your election po hwede oya no ho. Election keke. Look at what Kennedy Japan is doing. And this man told all NPP people, say, or the Mubeko position. And stupid people still follow that bullshit. What's wrong with you people? Yes, pretty. Let me lose you today. Alex, I'm sorry. I love you so much, but let me lose you today. From today, unfollow me and don't come to my page again. It's okay. If I'm telling you the truth and you cannot take the truth in, Alex, I love you so much, but don't ever come on my page again. You leaving my page will not bring my page down. So don't come. Because some of you, this is the bullshit we have endorsed, and we are seeing the thing destroy, and you are still early morning like this, supporting such bullshit. What is wrong with some of you? Alex, this thing just happened. You are seeing the thing happen, and you are still there saying that you are supporting Kennedy Japan for what he's just doing. May say, everybody, as I have said, I will keep saying and say again. We have been told this morning that the biggest man in Ghana, he is bigger than the law. He is bigger than the police. He is actually bigger than the president. Williams Brown, don't try that shit with me. Utie, William, man tries hard with me in me patrol pa me ni wunisa. Utie the Americano. You support your candidate. Nobody has told you not to go support your candidate. But don't be coming here and be talking nonsense that you don't know. You don't know anything. So don't try that. I'm begging you. Don't try that nonsense here this morning. William Brown, I'm begging you. I don't want me and you to have any fracas. Don't try that. Don't try that with me this morning. Don't try that with me this morning. Seriously. Don't try that with me this morning. I don't